Have you ever wondered how blockchain technology works? Well, let's unravel this technological marvel together. Think of blockchain as an advanced, more sophisticated kind of database. It's like a digital ledger, but with a twist. It's designed to be transparent, allowing for clear information sharing within a business network. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This ledger isn't just any ledger, it's unalterable. Yes, you heard that right. Once data is recorded, it can't be changed, providing an extra layer of security. And, speaking of security, blockchain has built-in mechanisms that prevent unauthorized entries, making it a trusted guardian of your transactions. So, from recording financial transactions to tracking tangible and intangible assets, blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we think about data and security. Now that we've got a basic understanding of what blockchain is, let's delve deeper into its components and how they work together. What makes blockchain technology unique and powerful? Blockchain's strength lies in three key features: decentralization, immutability, and participant consent. Decentralization is the heart of blockchain technology. Instead of a single entity controlling the data, the information is distributed across a network of computers, making it highly resistant to hacks and data loss. Next, we have immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on a blockchain, it's nearly impossible to change or remove it. This feature ensures that every transaction is transparent and permanently recorded, making fraud exceedingly difficult. Finally, participant consent. Every transaction requires the approval of the majority of participants in the network. This consensus mechanism ensures that the recorded transactions are valid and agreed upon, eliminating the need for a trusted third party. Together, these features make blockchain an extremely secure and transparent system, ideal for recording everything from financial transactions to supply chain records. With these unique features, blockchain has become a game changer in several industries. But how does it actually function? So, how does the magic happen behind the scenes in blockchain technology? Let's dive into the mechanics of a blockchain transaction. First off, transactions are recorded as data blocks. Think of these blocks as pages in a ledger, each one holding a list of transactions. But these aren't just any old blocks. They're digitally unique and individually identifiable, making every transaction distinct. Now, before a new block can be added to the chain, there's a crucial step that must take place: consensus. This is where the decentralized nature of blockchain really shines. Instead of relying on a single authority to verify transactions, blockchain requires agreement from multiple participants. This collaborative validation process ensures that every transaction is legitimate and prevents any single entity from gaining control over the network. Once consensus is reached, the new block is linked to the chain. But we're not talking about a simple link here. Each block is connected to the one before it through a cryptographic hash, a kind of digital fingerprint that's unique to each block. This creates an uneditable, secure chain of blocks. If someone tried to alter a block, the cryptographic hash would change, breaking the chain and alerting the network to the tampering. This is a key aspect of blockchain's immutability, making it virtually tamper-proof. Finally, the latest version of the ledger, now with its new block, is distributed to all participants. Everyone on the network holds an identical copy of the blockchain, ensuring transparency and trust. This distribution also means that even if a single copy of the blockchain was compromised, the integrity of the whole system would remain intact. Another testament to blockchain's resilience and security. That's the basic process of how a blockchain works. But not all blockchains operate the same way. Did you know there are different types of blockchain networks? Indeed, there are four main types: public, private, consortium, and hybrid. Let's start with public blockchains. These are open to anyone and everyone. The most well-known example is Bitcoin. Here, transactions are transparent and anyone can participate in the consensus process. Next, we have private blockchains. These are more like an exclusive club, only accessible to invited members. Private blockchains are typically used by businesses and organizations for internal purposes, providing a secure and efficient way of handling transactions. The third type is consortium blockchains. These are semi-private and operate under the leadership of a group. Instead of a single organization controlling it, a number of entities share the responsibilities. This type is often used in the banking sector. Finally, we have hybrid blockchains, which, as you might have guessed, combine elements of both public and private blockchains. They offer the transparency of public blockchains with the privacy of private ones. A good example is DragonChain. So, depending on the use case, different types of blockchain networks can be implemented. So, where can we see blockchain technology in action in the real world? Well, blockchain is not just a concept anymore. It's being adopted and utilized in various sectors. Let's take the energy industry for instance. Blockchain is being used to create decentralized and efficient systems for energy distribution and management, paving the way for a more sustainable future. In the finance sector, it's revolutionizing the way transactions are processed, making them faster, transparent, and secure. It's eliminating duplicate record keeping and preventing tampering, which is a game changer for this industry. Now let's talk about media. Blockchain is being used to manage digital rights, track the use of content, and even ensure that creators are fairly compensated. And in retail, it's being utilized to track products from production to the consumer, ensuring authenticity and preventing counterfeit. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Blockchain is a technology that is here to stay. With its unique capabilities, blockchain technology is revolutionizing various industries and processes around us.